Welcome to our Bandlab tutorial. Today, we'll learn how to hear yourself while recording. This is crucial for achieving the best sound. First, open your Bandlab project. Make sure your audio device is connected and recognized by the software. Now, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Here you'll find the audio settings to configure your input. Select your microphone as the input device. Ensure it's set to the correct channel to capture your voice. Next, enable the monitoring option. This lets you hear your voice in real time as you record. Finally, adjust the volume levels to find the perfect balance between your voice and background track. Now, let's test your setup. Hit the record button and start speaking. Adjust volume if needed. If you cannot hear yourself, check the connections and settings again. A quick double check can solve many issues. For low volume issues, ensure your microphone gain is properly set. Sometimes, it just needs a little boost. Remember, practice makes perfect. Experiment with different settings to find what works best for you. Congratulations! You're now ready to hear yourself on Bandlab and enhance your recording experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Happy creating!